In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Namecheap domain to Vercel. By the end, you'll have your domain pointing to your Vercel project with a clear understanding of what each setting does and what to expect along the way. Start by opening Namecheap in a tab. You don't need to change anything here yet. It's just helpful to have the domain handy and to be signed in case Vercel asks you to verify ownership or update DNS later. Confirm which domain you plan to use, like the root domain or a subdomain, so you can type it exactly the same way in Vercel. Next, go to your Vercel dashboard and open the project you want to connect. From the project area, head to the domains section. This is where you manage all domains linked to your project and where Vercel handles SSL certificates and routing for you. Click Add Domain to open the domain modal. In the input box, type the exact Namecheap domain you want to connect. If you're using the Apex domain, it might look like example.com. If you want the do version instead, enter doexample.com. Vercel will recognize what you've entered and prepare the right configuration behind the scenes. Now choose which environment you want the domain connected to. Production will serve your live site, while preview is great for testing branches or staging. Pick the one that matches how you'll use this domain today. You can always add more domains or adjust mappings later. If you need this domain to forward visitors to a different domain, turn on the redirect option and enter the destination. This is a clean way to make, for example, the root domain redirect to the do version or to consolidate traffic to a single canonical URL. If you don't need a redirect, just leave it off. Click Save to finalize. Vercel will validate the domain and, if necessary, show you any DNS records you might need to add in Namecheap to prove ownership or route traffic. That's normal when your DNS is managed at Namecheap. Keep your Vercel tab open, switch to the Namecheap DNS panel for your domain, and add any records Vercel displays. After saving those, give it a little time for DNS to propagate. Anywhere from a few minutes up to a couple of hours is typical. In Vercel, you can use the Verify option to recheck status. Once verification passes, your domain will show as active, SSL will be issued automatically, and your site will be live at the domain you connected. That's it, your Namecheap domain is now connected to Vercel.